Hi everyone, my name is Nirikshit and I'm studying in 9th standard. Today I am going to explain about free energy water pump. So I have made it in home. To explain you further, this is a tank of 20 liters which I used to do this, and we have drilled two holes in it. This is the first one of 1 inch and this is of half inch at the top, and this is of also half inch at the side. So this is the first one which is at the bottom side, this at the top, and this is at the side. Further this pipe goes to here, which I am going to put it in water in the starting of the water, and I am going to connect a football over here. So you guys know about a football. Water goes at one side and it will not come at the reverse side. Okay, here. So when I will start the process, the water will be lifted from here to upside till here. So we are done with this. Now from here, I have used and made it till now because it will take further minutes to do that. This is a coupling and a small piece of pipe. This is a T, and I have used half-inch pipe of 1 meter, and this is a end cap. And here a small piece of pipe and a L, and 1 meter of pipe, and 1 inch to half-inch converter. Okay. Yes, I will connect this here now. And I have showed about all the materials. There is nothing to show about the materials. There are two buckets, that's it. And I have used the end cap over to close the air from here. This is because I will put water from upper side, because I can't use that. So at the end I am using this tap to leave the water. It will be easy. Using a tap we can leave the water easily. Okay, I will start the process. This is a tap and we can leave water from here. Yes, now I will fill the water in it. I am taking out the end cap from here. This will take a long period to fill it. We'll skip the video and we'll show at the last. So I have filled a little of water which is coming outside from here. I am going to off the tap and fill the tank. It will take more hard to fill from here, because when we fill water the air will come out, and from a place to come out it will take long period. I will fill it from here. It will be the easy process to fill, because when I will fill from here the water will get inside and the air will go outside from there. You can see the water is filled, no more water is going in. Yes, it is done. So I am going to put the end cap and fix it off. So I have gloomed all over here because there should be no space to get the air in. Afterwards I will show you, it will take more than pressure you thought. Yes, we are done with this. Now I am starting the tap. So here it is start. So now here you can see the water. So you can see here it is. So now the water is getting up from here. You can see it. Yes, it is working. Done. So you can see because of pressure, this drum is also quenched. We'll do it with another drum. So this much amount of water will left at the last. You can see this bucket was filled and it is now, the water is lifting, the bucket is coming now. So this is it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it. Please share this to your friends and relatives, all whatever. You can see the bucket water was filled. Now it is drilled because the water is, it is working. Opening the tap. I am showing you by connecting this because this is a example that you can use it for agriculture purposes. It will take few minutes. Yes, here it is. You can use it to water the one. See, you can see the pressure.
પછી ધકે દેવો તારા ભાવ
Yes,
હા
we are done with it. Please like and subscribe the video.